Hello. Hi everyone. Am I audible, guys? You can
Yes, audible.
on Zoom chat.
Hello.
Yes, thank you for confirming, Sandeep. So, welcome to IT Point, guys. So, let's wait for 1 or 2 more minutes. So our friends will join in the meantime. Okay. So just wait for 2 more minutes, guys. We will start in 2 minutes. I'm expecting at least 5 students will join. 5 more students will join, guys. Okay, so in the meantime, let's start, guys, the introduction. So we'll today is going to be light. Okay, we will not go very technical today. So what we'll do, we will try to understand our background. Okay, what we are doing currently, and yeah, and we'll see what Salesforce actually is, and we will sign up into a developer org, which is free of cost. So like we will do everything on that org only. Okay, I'll explain what org is, everything. So this is the thing we'll do today, guys. Okay, so let's start. I'll start with my introduction. So hi everyone, I am Anoop Patel, and I'm working as a Salesforce advisory consultant in IBM. I'm having more than 6 years of experience in Salesforce, and I worked on many type of project, many type of industry like gas and resource industry, automobile industry, telecom industry, banking industry, healthcare industry. These type of things I worked on. I worked for I'll say FedEx as well. Okay, and now main thing is, guys, I'll be with you, not as a primary instructor, like because Kirsan will take these classes, but this is just a first class, so Kisan is not joining the class. So from next classes, Kisan will join, guys. Okay, now next thing, let's introduce each and everyone, guys. So I'll take your name. Please just give a short intro so that we will be able to understand your background. Okay, see, background doesn't matter, but yes, just for having information, guys, I want to know the background of everyone. So like what you're doing, how much experience you have in IT, if there is any. If there's no experience, just say I have no experience in IT. That is fine. That's not an issue. Okay. Okay. So we will start with Nasi. Nasi Turgut. You are on mute. We can't hear you. Yes,
Okay.
now we can hear you.
Okay, very well. Good evening, everyone. My name is Naci Turgut. I'm originally from Turkey, and I live in Dallas area, and I'm a QA, currently working as an automation tester. That's pretty much about me. I
Good.
welcome you all, and I wish this course will be really beneficial to all of us. Thank you.
Definitely. Thank you, Nasi. Thank you so much. Okay, Sandeep, we'll start with you.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Sandeep. I have non-IT tech. I'm from non-IT field, and I'm looking at it so excitement to learn this course.
Okay, and you are from India, right?
Yes, yes, I'm from India.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sandeep. Welcome to IT Point.
Yeah.
Hasim.
Hello, my name is Hashim. I was an English teacher before. Now I'm jobless. I live in Texas, Houston. Zero experience.
Okay, good. Welcome to IT Point.
Thank you.
Mehmet Seda.
Hello, my name is Mehmet Seda. I'm from Turkey. I just arrived US like 1 year ago. I have no IT background.
Okay.
Right now, I'm occupying with like trading.
Okay. Good. Good to know. Welcome to IT Point, Mehmet.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Ajra.
My name is Azra. I am in education. I have zero IT experience.
Okay. Great. You are living in United States, right?
I am in Houston.
Okay. Good to know. Thank you. Welcome to IT Point, Ajra. Elvis.
Hello, good evening. My name is Elvis. I am also in education. I live here as well in the United States, and I have 2 years of technology / IT experience.
IT experience in which field? In IT?
Well, in technology.
Okay.
I'm
Got it.
yeah.
Okay. Welcome, Elvis. Welcome to IT Point. Bahar.
Hello, my name is Bahar Gurbanova. I'm from Turkmenistan. I live in San Antonio.
Okay. Any
And
IT
my
experience?
experience is I'm student of Alama College. My major is computer programming.
Okay. Great. So you have some computer background. Good to know. Welcome to IT Point. Ali.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm from Turkey and I live here in the United States. And my background, like from college, is science. I have a chemistry background, but I got another boot camp 2 years ago, and I have been working as a QA for a company, electricity company, for about a year. And I just decided to improve myself in that field as a developer and chose Salesforce.
Okay. Good to know. Welcome, Ali, to IT Point. Himena.
Hey, my name is Jimena. I am also a teacher. I have no IT experience, and currently I'm just a stay-at-home mom.
Okay. Good to know. Welcome to IT Point. So, okay. And we have Abram and Mehmet as well. So they are we already have introduced them in the webinar. Okay, so guys, today is just a basic. So let's see what we are going to cover. Now I have one question to everyone. Anyone having any idea what is Salesforce? Anybody? So guys, what you can do, you can all see this is the first session. So I'm just giving you idea how we will work for 6 months. Okay, so in the live sessions, you will not unmute yourself, guys. Okay, until your instructor is asking you whatever questions you are having, just type your questions on Slack live channel. Okay, all the questions you can type on Slack. Our instructors will check the Slack regularly. Okay, I will also do the same. I will check all the queries on Slack and I have to respond on all the queries. Okay, so whatever queries you are having, just type it on Slack, guys. Because if you will unmute yourself, if everyone will unmute themselves and speak, it's going to be tough for us, right? I will not be able to understand what everybody is saying correct at the same time. So whatever questions you are having, just post it on the Slack. First thing. Second thing is, guys, let's say after the class, if you are having any query, that also you can post. I will create a channel that will be technical doubts. You can post your technical doubts, guys, in that channel on Slack. Okay, you will get your videos recordings, guys, every day. Second thing, it will be on YouTube and it will be a private video, so you will get the access to those videos. And if you are not having access, guys, please connect with us. I'll also create a channel like in technical support only. You will message that I am not having access. Okay, I'm not having access. So like we will see what's the issue. Sometimes YouTube is having issue. Sometimes maybe it's our fault that we have put a wrong email ID. Okay, so after the session you will get the recordings. If you're not getting it, please let us know. We will see what's the issue and we will solve it. Okay, next thing, guys, PPTs. Whatever PPTs we are using, we will give the PPTs to you once the topic is done. Let's say we have a PPT about Salesforce. introduction. If that topic is not completed, we will not give the PPT, guys. Once the topic is done, let's say in 2 days, 3 days, once our topic is completed, we will share the PPT on the Slack. Okay, so that's how we will work. And if anybody having any query so far, please let me know on Slack, or you can unmute yourself and speak if you have any question, guys, regarding the course. Okay, so I am guessing there's no question. Ersin, yes, Ersin just joined. So hello, Ersin. Good morning from India. And for you, I know it's very late. So we all have our introduction. So I would like you to just give a brief introduction, Ersin. We can't hear you, Ersin, if you are speaking. Hello, Ersin, am I audible?
He said, "Give me a second." He write
Oh,
something.
okay. Sorry, I didn't. Okay, he's chatting on Zoom. Guys, please try to avoid Zoom chat, okay? For us, we will use Slack. You have to active on Slack, guys.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yes, Ersin, we can hear you very well.
Hello, everyone. This is Ersin Bozkır. I'm an educator for the last 15 years. I'm trying to switch my career. That's why I'm here. I'm married. I have one daughter, 8 years old. So that's it.
Okay. Thank you, Ersin, and welcome to IT Point.
Thank you.
So the thing is, Ersin, you missed some points. Please use Slack for chatting. If you have any question, any doubt, any information, please use Slack live channel, okay? You can post your queries during the session on that Slack channel. Please avoid Zoom. If there's some issue with your Slack, you can use Zoom, but please avoid Zoom because we will not see Zoom regularly, but we will see Slack. Okay, guys. So now I have a question to everyone. What is Salesforce? You joined the Salesforce webinar. All of you joined the Salesforce webinar. What did you understand by Salesforce and why Salesforce is so popular these days? Anyone? Just give one statement, guys, about Salesforce. So we will try to see how many statements we are getting on Salesforce, guys.
It's customer
It is
relationship management, no?
Yes, you are
And
right.
it will create complete solution to the customer from starting to end. Complete provision we will give by using Salesforce.
Yes.
And it's cloud computing.
Yes.
Data can be taken from the cloud.
Yes. And Nasi, you are also right. It's a CRM platform. Now, okay, CRM, guys. Before going into Salesforce, the first thing you should understand what CRM is. Okay, so we will see, guys, what CRM is as well. Within this PPT, within the slides. First thing is why Salesforce came into market and how Salesforce acquired so much market, guys. If you will see CRM market, most of the market captured was Salesforce. Before 10 years, we have Sibyl. Sibyl was the market leader, Oracle Sibyl CRM. But now Sibyl is way behind Salesforce, guys. Okay, now why Salesforce is so popular? Please try to understand and why these clouds are working so well compared to the server-based tool. So before 90s, guys, if you remember, before 90s, we have mainframes. Correct? In mid 20th century platforms, we have IBM mainframe. What they are, guys, they are just a big machine and all the data were getting stored in those mainframes. Correct? So just suppose something happened to this mainframe machine, your data is gone. Correct? Now in late 20s, we have the computers, guys. Okay, we have CPU. So what these CPUs were working as, these CPUs were holding the data, these CPUs were having the tools, and these were called the servers. So this is called server side programming. Sorry, not server side programming, guys. Server based tool. Civil. So if you have example as well, Civil CRM was based on server. It is not a cloud, guys. That's why Civil CRM failed. After 2015, Salesforce captured most of the market of Civil CRM. Before 2015, guys, Civil CRM was the market leader in CRM field. But why Civil failed? Because after 2015 or maybe after 2010, guys, cloud is expanded really well, and most of the server-based technologies are getting, I'll say, guys, are going away. Okay, whatever it is, if your technology, if your server is not on cloud, you will not be successful, guys, these days. Okay, because these days everybody wants to work from home. I'm sure all of you will get a job, or will try to get a job which will allow you to work from home, because these days everybody is working on, most of the persons are working on the cloud. Now what is the problem with this, guys? I'll tell you. Now when we have this server, okay, in this server, let's say if you want to work as a Java developer, what are the things you have to do? You need a internet. First thing, you need a antivirus. Second thing, third thing, you need a server, guys, storage. Correct? It can be 500 GB, it can be 1 TB, and then you need the softwares, guys. You need the many things, yeah, many things to start the job. If you just want to start your job on server, you have to do many installations. Okay, you need to purchase licenses of many tools, antivirus license, many things. It's very costly and very time taking. I'm sure if you are working in a server based technology, it will take at least a month to start. I know Civil CRM, guys. If you are joining Civil team, they will take 1 month to set up everything for you, because it's a server based. Now then, in 21st century we have cloud. Salesforce is also cloud based technology, guys. Okay, now what cloud is? You need nothing. Okay, server will be managed by the providing companies. Let's say Salesforce is just giving us the cloud servers. We need only laptop and internet. You can see the screen as well, guys. We just need an internet and a laptop or desktop, and you can work from anywhere. You do not need internet, guys. Sorry, you do not need to set up many things on your server. Salesforce will do it for you. All the setup is done with Salesforce. You just need a license to use Salesforce server. You just need to get a license, guys. Once you have the license, just log in into Salesforce from anywhere. You are in United States, I'm in India. Some of our friends are from India. Some of us are working from Europe, guys. Everybody can access the same thing. The same cloud everyone can access, because it is a cloud. Guys, cloud doesn't mean that our servers are on clouds. It doesn't mean that. Actually, what cloud is, Salesforce has set up their servers somewhere around the world. For Asia Pacific, they have servers in India, they have servers in other countries. For North America, they have servers in some cities. Okay, so what they will do, once you will get a license, they will give you access to that server, which can be accessed from anywhere. It doesn't mean if I'm in India, I cannot access US server. I can do it. If my access is on that server, I can access that server as well. Okay, so clear, guys, the difference between client server and cloud server? Yes or no, guys? Just type on the Slack. So if I'll get yes, I will proceed to the next slide. If I'll get no, I'll explain again, guys. Good. Okay, now let's go to the next slide. No Zoom chat, guys. Please, Sandeep, use the Slack. Okay. Okay. Now, when Salesforce came into picture, so guys, Salesforce was founded by Mr. Mark Benioff and Parker Harris. Mark,
Excuse me, Anoop, we don't see your slide, I guess. There's only introduction page that we see on your
oh,
sharing.
sorry. Okay, let me do it. Just give me a minute, please. Thank you
And
for
it was
reminding me.
it was the same since we began.
Yes, I think so. Just give me a minute, guys. Now you will see my screen.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes.
Yes. So this was the screen I was explaining. Mainframes, client server, and cloud servers. Okay. So I explained this, how this client server works. I explained how this mainframe works and how this cloud works and why cloud is so much in demand, guys. Okay. Clear to everyone? Anybody having any query? So we have some new joinees. Furkan, who is someone, guys? We need to join with our real names, guys. Please avoid joining with other names. You can join with your nickname, but guys, please give some name to your when you are joining, okay, the meetings. So I want to know who joined as someone, guys. So hello Furkan, welcome to IT Point. So can we get a quick introduction, Furkan, from your side, please? We all have our introduction. You missed that, but we would like to know you guys. So Furkan, can you please give a brief introduction? Okay, I'm connecting from phone. It's okay, not a problem. Okay, now let's see, guys. So this slide is clear to everyone. Shall we proceed? Okay, now next thing, guys. This is about Salesforce. So I told you guys, Salesforce was founded in 1999 by Mr. Mark Benioff and Parker Harris. These two guys were working in Oracle before, and they got an idea of Salesforce, and they started working on Salesforce, guys. And it was launched in 1999. Okay, now Salesforce headquarters is in San Francisco. Guys, if you will search about this person, Mark Benioff, he's very smart guy. He's doing so many things. If you will research, he got award of best CEO, guys, last year, and I'm sure this year as well he will get the award of best CEO by many companies, by many magazines, because he is putting many efforts. Salesforce is enhancing itself very well, guys. Every quarter they are giving something new to their customers. They are introducing NLP, natural language processing. They are introducing AI in Salesforce. They are introducing some advanced reporting, guys. Every quarter you will get new things in Salesforce. So if you are working as a Salesforce developer, you have to be updated, guys. Okay, and one till the time you are getting trained, it's our duty to give you the updated information, guys. Now next is low cost, low risk, cloud-based solution, guys. Low cost, we all know. We do not need any setup cost, guys. You do not need the license of the softwares. You do not need license of antivirus. You need nothing. The only thing you need to use Salesforce is a laptop and mobile internet. That's it, guys. You need a computer and internet, and you are ready to go to use Salesforce, guys. It is cloud-based, yes. We already know that it's a cloud-based, guys. Now, most important thing about Salesforce is it is based on multi-tenant architecture, guys. Now we will see what this multi-tenant architecture is. Okay. So what this multi-tenant architecture is, guys, this is the multi-tenant architecture details. I will explain to you. So what Salesforce is, guys, Salesforce is a cloud-based solution. Okay. Cloud means, I told you, they have server situated somewhere. Okay. So they have, let's say, a server in United States, and that server is getting used by many customers. You are not the only one. I am not the only one. It is getting used by many customers. Okay, so what now? How everyone can use the same server, guys? See, your data is there, right? Your privacy is there. Your data should not be exposed to others, correct? And others' data we should not be able to see. Otherwise, it will be a privacy issue, correct? So for that, what Salesforce has does, I'll give an example. Okay, guys. Let's say there is a building. Okay, and in that building we have 15 house flats. Okay, first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor. Okay, so what, just take an example, guys. That building is like a server. That building is like a server, guys. And in that building, what they have 15 floors. Now when I'll go to Salesforce, that I need a license to start working in Salesforce. So once I will purchase a license, they will give me storage in a server. It is like, guys, you will get a key of one floor, guys, so that you can use that one floor. You cannot access second floor, you cannot access third floor. You will be able to access the floor which is given by Salesforce to you in the same server, guys. The server, the access which Salesforce will give to you, you will be able to access that only. You cannot access others instance. So can you see this, guys? First picture, instance A, instance B, instance C, instance C. If you are having instance C, you cannot access instance B, you cannot access instance N. Okay, you can access only your instance, guys. This is service layer. And same for database layer, guys. In your instance C, your database will get stored. Whatever instance you are having, guys, in that instance only your database will get stored. What is database, guys? Database is nothing. It is the data of your company and the configurations. Configurations means whatever things you are doing with your data. Whatever we will learn in 6 months, it's all of those things we will learn on this instance. Whatever instance you are seeing here, guys, everything we will do in 6 months is here on this particular instance. Clear, guys? It is like, guys, we have given access to you in a room, and you can use that room only. Whatever you want to do in that room, it's up to you. You can have a chair, you can have a bed, you can have a TV, it's up to you. But you cannot disturb others' room. It is like that, guys. You have that one room in Salesforce server, and on that particular room, it's up to you what you want to do. You can have anything, but it's as per Salesforce standards. Clear to everyone? The multi-tenant architecture, guys. Any question, any confusion so far? Anybody? Guys, any question? Anyone? Okay, I'm taking it as a no. So there's no question so far. Okay, so let's see, guys. See, not having question is not a problem, but it is also not good. Please ask your question, guys. Don't hesitate. Okay, don't hesitate, because everybody here is looking for learn, right? If you are asking very basic questions, that's okay. Don't be shy, guys. If your question is very silly, like you think that no, this is not good to ask this type of questions, guys, you can ask any type of question in my class. I'll answer it 10 times if you are not able to get it, but I will not proceed if you are not able to digest what I am speaking, guys. Okay, what do you mean by cloud? See, cloud is just a term. Okay, cloud means, guys, your company provider will give you the access to the servers. That server, you do not know where that server is, but on that server you can do everything. Okay, so for example, I am having access to a cloud server. That server is situated somewhere. Okay, it is not like it is having on clouds. No, it is just a term, guys. Cloud means we don't have to worry about server. Our company provider will worry about the server. They will worry about how much memory you are going to use. They will worry about the security of the server, everything. The only thing we need a license to use that server. That is cloud, guys. Clear, Jono? So how to pronounce this name? Sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong. It's Jono, right? Okay, any other question? I am seeing two persons are typing. Okay, Hasim. You joined as Hasim? Okay. Okay, guys. Now let's see. Okay, let me answer instance. Okay, Ersin, I will explain the instance now. So instance is like a org. Org means, guys, when you are purchasing a license, Salesforce will give you an instance. Instance is like a server to you. They will give you particular space, and in that particular space you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, so let me give an example. I gave an example of room, right, in a building. So if I am purchasing, I am renting out a single room, guys, what our owner will do? Our owner will give me access to that particular room, correct? So I will be able to do whatever I want in that particular room, but I cannot disturb others room. In the same manner, let's say Salesforce has this server, and on this server they have some memory, guys, and what they did within this server, they have n instances, means they have n number of rooms, and out of these n number of rooms we got one particular room. That is called a instance, guys. If somebody will ask you what instance is, you can just give this example and they will be able to understand that you know what instance is. Okay, clear, Ersin? It is a space within the server. Okay, it's like that. You are getting your memory, you are getting your server in Salesforce. That is an instance. Okay, and within that instance you can do your data setup, you can do your configurations, you can do the coding. Everything we will do within this instance where we have access. Okay, so today what we will do, guys, we will sign up into Salesforce. I will show you how to do it. So once you will sign up in Salesforce, everyone will get an instance. Salesforce will give an instance to each and everyone. Okay, so you all have one instance in Salesforce by today end of the date. Clear, guys? Shall we move on now? Any question? Anyone? Okay. Now, what is CRM? Please try to understand, guys. This is very basic and you should know CRM because Salesforce is a CRM tool. Customer relationship management. CRM means customer relationship management. Okay, guys. So as the term suggests, CRM is all about how we are managing our customers. Okay, what we are doing to make a deal successful with customers and how we will utilize those customers' data. Now, let me give an example, guys. You can see this. This is very easy. Now, let's say I am having a business. I am selling clothes. Let's say not clothes. Clothes is not a good example, guys. Car company. Okay, let's see a car company example. I'm having an automobile office. Okay, and I have to sell the car. Okay, so what I'll do, guys? What we need customers, right? Every business needs customers, guys. Either it's a car business, it's a cloth business, food business, anything, guys. Real estate, banking, telecom. You can think about any business, all the business need customers. Okay, so what we'll do as a car company, guys, I will do the marketing to attract the customers. Correct? We are getting some of the companies are doing online marketing, digital marketing, on YouTube marketing, Instagram marketing, guys, and it's up to you how you want to do the marketing. So once some customers will show interest in your car, what they'll do, guys, they will do the registration. Correct? And that registration, if they are using Salesforce, that registration will go into Salesforce as a lead. Lead means, guys, that person can be a customer to us. That person can do business with us, but we do not know if he is going to do business. But there is a possibility that that lead will do the business with us. Correct? So it is a lead. So that will come as a lead in Salesforce. Now what we'll do, guys, our customer support team or whatever, like some support team, will call that lead again and again. So when, guys, I am sure everybody faced it, right? If you visit a car company just to have some queries, what you will get a call on daily basis. They'll call you, guys, daily, from banks, from credit card companies. You'll get call on daily basis. They'll call you again and again. Hello sir, we have this offer, please purchase this car, this is having some discount, everything. They will try their best to convince you to get their product. Correct, guys? Okay, so now we got the leads. Okay, and that data will be captured in Salesforce, and within Salesforce we will manage the data. Now once that lead is confirmed, means that person lead is confirmed that okay, I'm going to purchase this car, we will convert that lead into something we called it opportunity in Salesforce. Okay, so then what happened, guys? Once that lead is confirmed, we will ask them to visit our showroom. Okay, and they will visit our showroom, and we'll give them offers, we'll give them documentation, everything. Correct? Registration, which color, which model, everything they will understand. So we will do all the interactions with them, and all the data again we will capture in somewhere. If it is Salesforce, we will capture in Salesforce. Now, guys, all this process is CRM. You are getting it? All this process to calling a lead, to do the marketing, and then if lead is converted in opportunity, and if that person is buying a car, we will take the payment. And once our payment is done, now it is our responsibility as a car showroom owner that we will give service to that customer as well. Because if we will not give service, guys, what will happen? Nobody will come to us. Correct? We will have bad reviews. The customers will not suggest to other customers to use our cars. So now after the sales, we have to give the service as well, guys. And Salesforce also have a tool called Service Cloud. Salesforce has a tool called Sales Cloud. Salesforce has a tool called Marketing Cloud. All these things, guys, is a CRM, customer relationship management. How we are making our relations better with customers, all these things will be handled by Salesforce. That's why Salesforce is so powerful, guys. Clear to everyone what CRM is? Is it clear to everyone, guys? Any question, any confusion? Anybody having any question? Guys, what CRM is it clear to everybody? Lead and opportunity. See, guys, please don't get confused with object. As memo typing, these are the objects. We will see what object is. Okay, don't worry about the terminology, guys. We will see each and everything in very detail. So is CRM clear to everyone? Any question, any confusion? Yes or no, guys? Yes. Okay. If it's clear, let's move on, guys. Now, please try to understand this thing, guys. Okay. This is Salesforce world. Okay. This is a Salesforce world. Guys, what it is? Salesforce, it is called Salesforce 360. So I already explained it in a webinar, guys. Kisan did it. What Salesforce is. So we saw the instance, right? This instance say. So if you will see a server based thing, guys, what happened? We have different team. We have a marketing team, we have a sales team, we have a service team, correct? Everything we have. Now, what Salesforce is doing, Salesforce is getting all the teams at one place. We called its instance. So in on the same instance, all the teams will work. It is called Salesforce 360, guys. Either it's a marketing, or it's a sales, or it's a service, or it's an integration, guys. Everything will be done on Salesforce. Now, Salesforce, guys, why Salesforce is so popular? There's one more example of it. Is Salesforce already developed most of the business models? Business models means if you are a car company, you will look for automobile project, right? Because in car company, they have some terminology, right? All the cars has bin numbers, all the cars has showroom, all the cars has showroom owners, car brands, everything already developed by Salesforce. If you will go to Salesforce and you will tell them, okay, I need to purchase a license and this is my business model, I am working as a car showroom owner. So what Salesforce will do, guys, they will give you a license to a org where most of the things will already get set up. Everything about car company will be there, guys. If you are from health company, let's say Johnson and Johnson, anything, guys, if you are a health company, they will give you access to health cloud, and in the health cloud they already have most of the things set up. Okay, if you are a auto also telecom company, guys, most of the telecom companies, you know, AT&T, right? In United States, in India we have Reliance, many things. All the most of the telecom companies are working on Salesforce. So you are getting calls, right, from the telecom companies that, hi sir, your plan is getting expired. You are getting messages, right, that your plan going to expire next 5 days, please renew it. All these things are coming from Salesforce, guys. All these messages, all the data is getting stored there. It is coming by some automations. So let's say if your renew date is coming to end, they will give you message automatically. They are not doing it manually, guys. They are doing it automatically. Clear about the Salesforce clouds, guys? This is called Salesforce clouds. So cloud is nothing, guys. Salesforce cloud is nothing. It is just a business model they've implemented. Sales cloud, in the sales, let's say example, we will learn two clouds here in the training. One is sales cloud, another one is service cloud. Okay, so we will see how sales cloud will be used and how service cloud will be used. Now, as the name suggests, on the sales cloud, we will do all the sales activity. Whatever we need to do for doing a sale, we will do that in sales cloud. Now in service cloud, once our product is got sale, we have to provide the service, guys. So that thing we will see in service cloud. Clear? Everybody? Now, guys, what this app exchange is, what is Heroku, these things we will see later. What is this post.com? Okay, guys, any question, any confusion so far? Okay, now guys, Salesforce has some additions. Okay, addition means, I'll tell you. So it is like a service. Okay, guys, all the additions has different type of, this is just a license, I'll say license type. Guys, all the product have the type of licenses, right? Even if it's a Zoom, Slack, LinkedIn, Gmail, everything, guys, YouTube, everything has some license, right? And type of licenses. Same with Salesforce. if you are purchasing developer edition is free of cost. We will sign up in developer edition today, and whatever we will learn in our training, all those things we will do on developer edition. Okay, now professional edition guys, enterprise edition, unlimited edition, performance essential, these are paid license. I will explain guys when we will go deep into this, what these licenses is and how much this cost and what we'll get with all these licenses. Okay, we will see that. But developer edition is free guys. Developer edition will not charge anything. We will sign up in developer edition today only. We will see how to sign up in developer edition, and we will see guys. We will see basic Salesforce structure today, and that will be done for today. Guys, is it clear? It is nothing, it is just a license. Type of license Salesforce is giving. Okay, and today we will sign up for developer edition guys. Cool. Now guys, now when you are seeing a application guys, if you are looking at Facebook, so I hope everybody using Facebook right today in this like in today world, Facebook, LinkedIn, take any example. So all the applications, all the business models guys has three things. Please try to understand these are the technical things. Okay, in the Facebook, when you will sign up on Facebook guys, or you will log in into Facebook, you will see the screen, correct? Whatever you are seeing with your eyes, that's called user interface. You are seeing buttons, you are seeing like button, you are seeing comment button, you are seeing some post, you are seeing your profile picture, your name. All these things comes under user interface. Clear guys, what user interface is? Everybody, you got to you understand right what is user interface? User interface is nothing guys, whatever we are seeing with our eyes, that's called user interface on the screen. Now what is business logic guys? Please try to understand. In Salesforce, we will play with these three things: user interface, business logic, and data model. Okay, so we understand what user interface is and how we will create the user interface in Salesforce. We have two ways guys. In Salesforce, see guys, Salesforce suggests zero coding. If you can do something by just point and click, or we'll say configuration, we will not go for coding. Salesforce provide you just guys drag and drop. We have page layouts. You don't have to do anything. Whatever you want to see on the screen, just drag that into that screen and drop it. That's it. But if your customers is coming to you, if your business is coming to you to create some screens, some custom screens, which is not possible by drag and drop, then we have to do the coding. Okay, so if you want to do as declarative, we have application tab, page layouts, record types in Salesforce. We will learn all these things. Okay, don't worry about the terminology guys, we will learn all these things one by one. And if you want to do coding, if you want to go for coding guys to generate the custom user interface, we have Lightning Web Components, Aura Components, Visual Force pages. We will see all these things. You will learn everything guys. Don't worry about this, that you are not getting the terminology. It is something technical. So you will learn these things only guys in 6 months. Okay. Now you got the idea of user interface, correct? Any question in user interface guys? Anything? Okay, there's no question then. Guys, what is business logic? Please try to understand what is business logic guys. Now I was taking example of Facebook, correct? Now guys, when you will click on like button, what happened? That profile picture or that comment will get liked. But what's happening behind the screen? Because when you will click on that button, something will happen behind the screen. There will be some code guys. there will be some logic. By that logic only, if you will click on that like button, that will be liked. If you will click on the comment button, comment section will get opened. If you will click on profile button, your profile picture will get opened. That's called the business logic. What you want to perform on click of something, how these things are coming on user screen, or everything comes under business logic, guys. This is called business logic. Now, what is data model? Guys, data model is nothing. It is just a data. So guys, when you signed up into Facebook, you give your username and password, your detail, your mobile number, your date of birth, your city, everything to Facebook, right? And they have stored your data somewhere. That is called database. Database is nothing, guys. It's a data. And how they are storing that data, we will learn. In Salesforce, we have objects, field, and relationships. We will learn these three things, guys, in Salesforce. And this is all these three things are declarative. You don't have to do a coding for that. Clear? These three things clear, guys, to everybody? Yes, we are going to go on break, guys. Guys, if you have any query, please let me know. If there's no query, we'll go for break. So every day, guys, you will have 50-minute session, 10 minutes break, 50-minute session, 10 minutes break. It will be like this. Okay? Anybody having any question? Any question, guys? Any confusion? Okay, if there's no question. Yes,
I,
sorry.
Anoop, I was disconnected for 10 minutes. I was just missed what is lead or opportunity, that part. If there was something important, I missed that.
Okay, so we will see that lead and opportunity will come again in lectures. Okay, don't worry about it. It is just information we are giving today's session. Everything which we speak today, now we will learn in details. You will see actual what lead is in Salesforce. We will show you how lead is created. Everything you will see. So don't worry about it. Okay, if you miss that lead part, that's fine.
Okay, fine.
It was just for give the information of CRM, what CRM is, like how CRM works. That is for that. Okay, so don't worry about it. It is fine. Okay, guys, then let's go on break. Let me start the timer. So guys, we will have 10 minutes break every day. Okay, so let me start the timer. Or not, yes, sorry guys, I was correct. So everybody can have break, guys, for 10 minutes. I'll start the timer. Please come back in 10 minutes. We'll start after the 10 minutes, guys. Okay, see you guys in 10 minutes. Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome back, guys. Is everyone back? Bahar, no Zoom chat, please. Please confirm on Slack, okay? Sorry for that, actually. But sometimes, we miss Zoom. We may miss the Zoom. That's why I'm saying every time. Okay, now next thing we'll do is, guys, these all things you will learn, okay? One by one. Now, yes, this is just a motivation, guys. I hope it will motivate you in better way. So the thing is, guys, during the course, I told you as already, you will make many mistakes, guys. You will ask very silly questions. You will do very silly mistakes, but don't give up. Always come to me or our trainers, guys. Ask your questions, whatever it is. See, when we were at your place, when we were learning Salesforce, we did the same mistakes, right? Everyone, if you are moving into new things, guys, you do not know, right? Salesforce, and we are not expecting you to just get you be an expert in one day. It will take time, right? It is 6 month course, guys, not a 1 day or 2 day. Okay, so it will take time for you to understand, to get familiar with Salesforce. If you think that how this button works, I already explained that button, but still you think that I did not get it, please ask it again. If we did something and you did not understand, just ask, guys. Don't think that, okay, other persons got it, why didn't I get it? I should not ask it because it's very easy. No, you have to ask, you have to clarify all the doubts, guys. The target should be, we have around 18 19 student in first batch, guys. Our target is all the 19 students should get the job within 2 3 months after the course completion, guys. That's my personal ambition is, and I hope you guys will help me to achieve my ambition, guys. I'm sure of it, we'll do it. Everyone should get the job, guys, within 2 3 months once the course is done. Okay, so guys, please do not hesitate to clarify your queries, because those hesitations may cost you the job. Because if your concept is not clear, guys, you will be in trouble in interviews, because interviewer will catch you. If you will say this is something like that, believe me, guys, interviewer will kill you. I did interviews, I took many interviews, I know, guys, how to trap a candidate. If you will hesitate in something, guys, I will trap you in that topic only. I will get you that you do not know this topic, so don't try to be over smart with me. Like that. Okay, so let's start, guys. Enough for today motivation. Now everyone, I am giving one link on Slack. Please open that link. What we will do, guys, we will sign up for Salesforce developer org. This is very, very important, guys. Everybody has to sign up on this link. I will show you how to do it, what are the details we need to fill, but you have to sign up on Salesforce, because this is the thing which we will use for our course. Okay, Salesforce has given this developer org to practice everything. Okay, so we will use it in our course. Guys, open this link, please. Developer.sign up. developer.salesforce.com/sign up. Everyone, is it done? Opened? Okay, opened. So, guys, this is must. You have to sign up for Salesforce org. If you will not sign up for Salesforce org, you will not be able to do anything. Whatever we will learn in 6 months, everything we will do on this org. This is like a server for us. Okay, so guys, if you already opened the link, please give your first name. So for me, it's Anoop, last name is Patel. Please give a first name and last name here. First name and last name, guys. Please give it to you. Give the first name and last name here. Then email address, it has to be real email address. So mine is this one. Everybody, please give your email address in email. First name, last name, and email address is done. Guys, give a role. Role will be developer because you are going to learn a developer thing, guys. Okay, so please select role as developer. Company you can give as IT point. Okay, you can give this name, guys, in the company. Country region you can select as yours. I will select India. You can select United States, guys. It's the company depends on us. Everybody done. Now postal code, guys, give a postal code. I'll give my postal code. You can give yours. Done, guys. Guys, first name, last name, email, role, company, country, region, and postal code. Okay, now please remember this username has to be in email format. It do not needs to be email, actual email, but it needs to be in email format. So just check my name, you will understand. I'm giving it.sf1 @itpoint.com. Okay, you can give any username, guys, but it needs to be in username format. So I will suggest for you guys, you can give your name @itpoint.com because this username needs to be unique. Unique means across the Salesforce. If I have used this username, you cannot use this, guys. Username needs to be unique. You can create many developer org with the same email ID, but username needs to be unique. You cannot use same username again and again. It has to be unique and it has to be in email format, guys. So I'll suggest everyone to use your name @itpoint.com because IT point is new, right? Nobody used IT point yet. So you will always get that domain, that username. So just use your name. After your name, you can also use SF1. Like let's say my Anoop SF1 @itpoint.com. It's a good name, guys. Okay, done for everyone. Guys, any question, any confusion on username? If you are not able to open the link, please let me know, guys. If you are facing any challenge, just let me know. I'll help you out. Okay, then if it's done, first name, last name, email ID, yeah, this is correct. Please check your email ID, guys. Email ID has to be correct because once you will sign up this, but once you will click on this button, guys, one link, verification link will get sent on this email ID. So please make sure you are using correct email ID and it has to be working one. This email ID have to be working. Okay, so I will show you what I will click on sign me up button. You will see that I'll get an email. It may take 1 to 2 minutes, guys, to get the email. Yes. Now I'll go to my emails and I'll see if I got the email or not. Okay, guys, done. Everybody on the same page. Now let's open the email, guys. I should get an email. It may take some time. Some of you may face that it is taking 5 minutes. but most of the times you will get it in 2 minutes, guys. I did not get the email yet. Okay, so I'll wait. So that's the only option we have to wait for 2-3 minutes, guys. But we should get the email in 2-3 minutes. Anyone got the email, guys? Anybody got the email? Verification email? Yes, good. Whoever got it, just click on that link. Your email will be verified, and you have to set the password. Once you will click on that link, Salesforce will ask you to set the password, guys. Please set the password, and you will get one security question as well, guys. Please answer that question because it will help you to reset the password in future. Okay, done for everyone. I will also create a document how to sign up in developer, guys, and that document will get shared by tomorrow morning for you guys. Okay, it will be evening for me. I will share the document so that if you missed any step, okay, you can follow the steps from the document, guys. That document will be shared by tomorrow morning US time, today evening Indian time. So if you can come to my screen, guys, I got the email from Salesforce, guys. So same type of email everyone will get. That email will be from developer@salesforce.com. So we got the email. Just click on this verify account. Correct, guys? We got the question. So I will set a password here. Okay, you need to answer, guys, this question because this question is very important. To reset the password again, just click on change password and we will be logged into the Salesforce. See, guys, done for everyone. Everybody set up the password to Salesforce org. Everybody should see this screen now. Yes. Guys, welcome to Salesforce world now. Actually, this is the time you are coming to Salesforce. Everybody have the instance into Salesforce. This is called instance. Okay, I'll explain, guys, everything, how this URL will look like, what are these buttons. You will learn everything. Don't worry about this UI because this is very new to you. You never saw it. So you will say, oh, wow, that's very new. I didn't get anything. But guys, you will get everything. What this dot means, what this home button means, yes, Edson, you are right. It looks like a Discord, in the left side, we have the channels, right? In Discord. It is same like Discord, guys. You can take it like Discord and you will learn. The only thing is you should know how Discord works. In the same manner, you should know how Salesforce works. That's it. It's very easy. Done for everyone. Anyone remaining, guys? Is there anyone who did not complete the sign up? Okay. Now, guys, if you are still doing it, please stop doing it. Let's see what this screen looks like. Okay, do it later, guys. If you did not get the email, wait for the email and please come back to my screen. Everybody, please come back to my screen, guys. We will see what is this. What is this window, guys? This is very weird. Some of you will think that, oh, this screen is not good. I do not like it. But you will fall in love with this screen, guys. I am sure of it. Okay, so let's start, guys. Once you will be in this screen, can you see the URL? Everybody will have this type of URL. See, this will be changed. This will not be same for everyone. But everyone will see lightning.4 salesforce.com/lightning/setup/setup home. This thing, guys. This is called Salesforce instance URL. Salesforce instance URL is still here. If I'll remove this and again enter, still I'll be on the same page, guys. It will open the app actually. That's fine. So what I'll do, I'll again go to that page which you are on. Okay, guys, this is the page everybody is on, correct? So this is the URL, guys. Everybody have distinct URL. I'm sure of it. You can check. Yes, see, somebody have Bahar as IT.2 deb, correct? It will be different for everyone. The only common thing will be from here, lightning.post.com. This is the common thing. Okay, guys, this is the instance URL for your org. This is called org. Okay, this is called developer org, guys, because we are using developer edition. Okay, we are using developer edition. This is called developer org, and everyone got their instance in Salesforce. My instance is this one. IT point LLC this. Okay, and your instance is different, guys. So if you want to log in into Salesforce, let's see, I have logged out. Let's say currently be logged in into Salesforce when we verified the password. If in future, if you want to log in into Salesforce, guys, what you have to do? I'm giving one URL, login.salesforce.com. This is the URL you will use to log in into Salesforce, guys. Okay, I'm going to guys pin this URL so that in future you can use it. Everybody please try it right now. Click on login.salesforce.com, guys. It will ask username and password. Once you will give the username and password, you will go to the same instance. It will log in to you into same instance. So let me do it. IT point SF1 @ okay, password, just give the password. Guys, clear? Username and password. URL is login.salesforce.com. Just log in into this URL, guys. Give your username and password. It will log in into your instance. Same instance, guys. I will get login into this instance, guys, with the username and password. So you can skip this. I don't want to register my phone, guys. It's up to you. If you want to register your phone, it's up to you. Guys, see, I am on the same URL. This is my instance. So when you will work in real time, everyone will get the instance where you will be able to do your task. Clear, guys? Salesforce instance is clear to everyone? Any question, any confusion so far? Guys, any question? Anyone? Anyone having any query? I am waiting for the questions, guys.
Sorry, Anoop, I just interrupted that part. How do you use the username and the password for that? I just
okay. So see, this
missing.
first time when you click on set verify email, right, from here, when you click on the verify account,
Yes.
you logged in into Salesforce, correct? Directly.
Yeah, I
by
already
setting the password.
done.
Yes.
Yes.
Now let's say you close this browser, and if any time from any other computer, from your mobile, if you want to log in into your Salesforce org, this is the Salesforce org, you have to type login.salesforce.com, the URL which I gave to you. So this is the place where you will log in into your Salesforce org. Just type login.salesforce.com and enter your username and password. Click on login. You will be able to log in into your instance. So this login.salesforce.com we will use to log in into our Salesforce org. Clear? Now, whoever asked this question, is it clear to you?
Yes, it is clear. I am doing now. Thank you.
Yes, please try it. Everybody, please try it. In another browser, open another browser, type this login.salesforce.com. Try to log in with your username and password. You should be able to log in, guys. Guys, done? Anybody having any query? I hope it is done for everyone. Okay, so let me see. Okay, Bahar is messaging on Zoom. It's okay, you can message on Zoom for today, but from tomorrow please try to message on Select Bahar. Okay, we will use Slack for communication, guys. We need to follow this practice. Okay, now this is done for everyone. Now guys, what I'm thinking is, let's wrap it up for today. So I will tell you what is the agenda for tomorrow. Okay, so I know it was a 2-hour class, but why I'm wrapping it up for today, because this is already too much, I think, for you guys. Okay, now guys, let's discuss about this thing. So tomorrow what we will learn what this button is, what these icons, what is this gear icon, what is this plus icon, everything. And when I'll click on this plus icon, I'll explain you what is the setup, what is developer console. These two things you will learn later, but these two things I'll explain: setup and developer console. Once you will click on setup, what will happen? Because this is the thing which is very new to you. You have to know everything. So I will give you a documentation, guys. Everything I will document. Okay, so in future, if you are confused what this button will do, what this button will do, what will happen if I click on these 9 dots, everything you will get in a document, guys. It's my duty to cover everything in a document, proper document. Okay, so this documentation you will get tomorrow. Today you will get a documentation of how to sign up into developer org. If somebody is still not logged in into Salesforce org, please follow the document to sign up, guys. Okay, into developer org. Clear? Now guys, please do not miss the classes. If you can join live classes, it is the best, guys. Obviously we'll give you the recordings, but as you know, guys, recordings, see, when you will see the recordings, you will have doubts, right? If you are getting doubts, to clear those doubts, you will come to me again. And in live classes you can discuss everything, correct? You can argue. If you are not able to digest, again you can ask me, right? If you think that this is not correct, you can tell me, okay, Rahul, Anoop, this is not looking good to me, everything, guys. But if you are watching videos, sometimes you may not clarify your doubts, right? So try to join the live classes. You'll get the recordings for so. Okay, so guys, how is Salesforce looks like now to you? Is it looking good? So you know, right, what Salesforce is, and we have, you see the tool. This is the tool, guys, where we will work on. So what is your first impression, guys, about Salesforce? Everyone? Irhan, yes, I will help you. Irhan, I'll help you. So what is the issue, Irhan? Yes, Nasir. you know what, this is not that colorful, but when we'll see other things now, you will see many things. This, you click on this, something will happen. On click of everything, something will happen, guys. Okay, so that's the beauty of Salesforce. So anybody having any queries so far except Erhan? Erhan, what is the issue?
Actually, I missed the first hour. Just I joined the Zoom meeting 30 minutes ago. Actually, I don't know what was the beginning. So I clicked the login.salesforce.com. I am writing my username as a itng
So
itpoint.com.
did you sign up here? First, you need to sign up here. Developer.salesforce.com. Did you sign up?
Yes, I sign up. I get the email verification. I verified it. But still I cannot log in.
Okay. So I think you forgot a password. That's
Really?
what it looks like. So do one thing. If so, what is the error you're getting, Erhan? Is it wrong email password or what?
It say please check your username and password.
This one, right? In my screen.
Yes, same.
So do one thing. Click on forget your password.
All right.
Okay. Type the username. Type your username and continue. So once you will click on continue, it will send a link on your email to set the password again. Okay. Then set the password again. Try to log in, Erhan.
Okay, I tried it.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. No, Nasir, Java, if you know Java, you know, it is an advantage to you. Okay. If it is Java, it is going to be a big advantage to you because we will learn, guys, we will learn Apex. In Salesforce, we have Apex programming. When we will switch to coding part, it is Apex, guys. And Apex is same as Java. Only syntaxes will change, but programming is almost like Java. Okay. Any other question, guys? Any other query? Yes. We will not learn in the start to jump into Apex. See, as we promised, we will teach you basics. We will go from very basic. If you have zero exposure to coding, if you do not know Java, it is fine. We will teach you Java, like we will teach you concepts in Apex, not in Java. But if you know Apex, you can do coding in Java. If you know Java, you can do coding in Apex. It is same. You have same, you know, same prototype, classes, methods, loops, if else, variables, everything is same. Okay, so on Friday you will have first basic of programming lecture where we will explain you how we will do the programming, which tool we will use, how to write, where to write, everything on Friday. Clear? Any other question? Yeah, thank you, Bill. I hope it will be fun for sure, guys. Salesforce is once you will learn Salesforce, I can guarantee it, you will fall in love with Salesforce because Salesforce is so good. It is really good, guys. Any other questions? Anybody? So, guys, if there's no question, thank you so much. I'm wrapping it up in 1.5 hours today because I don't want to give you too much in first day, but from tomorrow we will have 2 hour classes for sure. Okay, because guys, this is the first time, first class, and you know you have to be used to. You need to be used to for 2 hour classes. We are not taking 3 hour classes like others because what I saw is 3 hour classes is too much. Students will get bored, you know, and it's a night time for you guys, right? So you are already in sleep mode. You are already in sleep mode. That's what I say, guys. Thank you, and you'll get the recordings. by tomorrow EOD. If you missed something, if you missed some part, please watch the recording for the missing part. Okay, and that's it, guys. Bill, actually, 1.5 hour class is not possible to us because others are doing 3 hours, right? We need to complete everything in 6 months. If we will do 1.5 hour classes, the problem is we will not be able to cover everything in 6 months. Then we may have to extend it for 1 month, which is not good. Correct? Recordings on YouTube, Nasi, it is a private video. It will be private videos. Okay, it will be private videos, and we'll give you the access. We will give you the access. Okay, so I hope everybody registered with their correct email IDs. Bill, we don't have an email ID. Please give us your email ID. You can give us on Zoom if you want to. We need your email ID because we don't have yours because you registered yesterday only, right? Yesterday only you joined Select. So we will need your email ID, please, so that we can share the videos to your email ID as well. Yes, so don't worry about the connections, guys. We will make the groups. Okay, for mentorship we will break the groups in 2 parts. So we will have 2 groups out of these students, like whatever count we have, and we will assign you one mentor, so you can ask anything. If you are from Turkish background, you can ask your question in Turkish as well. It's up to you. You can connect it with your mentor for your queries, whatever you have. Okay, Bill, is it okay for you? I hope 2 hour classes is fine. Today is 1.5 hour only. I know, guys, 2 hour is also much, but we have to do it because we will not be able to cover everything in 6 months if we will make it 1.5 hours. I will make sure, guys, it will not be boring. See, today 1.5 hour is gone, right? It's nothing. 1.5 hour is gone in like minutes, guys. For me, I didn't feel much because we didn't cover much in 1.5 hour. So it's like a quick time, right? Okay, guys, see you tomorrow. Bill, we need your email ID. Please give it to us. Either you can send your email ID to Abrin. I think Abrin connected with you directly. So it's up to you. If you want to give an email ID to me on Slack, you can mention your email ID to Slack. One-to-one message to me to
email ID mean is like unit email addresses.
Yes, email address, because on that email address only we will share the recording. Like we will give you access. So if you signed up with that email ID on YouTube, then you will be able to watch the video.
Okay, thank
you. Okay. So if you want recordings, if you do not want, that's fine. No need to get the email ID. Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. And best of luck, guys. Welcome to IT Point. Welcome to Salesforce World. I hope I'll be able to help you to get the job. And I'm sure if you will give your efforts, you will be a Salesforce developer within 7 to 8 months. You will get a job for sure. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Take care, guys.